How do you create video marketing using images? This is my online toolbox providing weekly quick tips and reminders. We're excited today to be hitting a lot of different topics of marketing, unique content creation, YouTube social, as well as Google rankings. Before we continue, please like us on Facebook as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are always promoting getting videos, preferably videos of client testimonials, because it's the only 24/7 sales representation that's not from you possible, and whether it's professionally taken or by your camera is irrelevant, because we always want to capture the emotions of someone else besides yourself. Other times, when we can't get the client involved, we then have our customers, the owners of the remodeling companies, projecting different aspects of a job, whether it's a finished project or in the field work. There's two great examples that you could look at. One is from a company called Northlight Builders out in Washington. They just released their newest website and we're getting started with videos. They have a wonderful, great example of an owner reviewing a project in the field. If you go to Northlight Builders and look up the video bathroom remodeling in Battleground, you'll find it. It's fantastic. I'll let you guide yourself on their website to find that actual particular project. Also, if you go to Remodelers Wichita, the name of the company is Pinnacle Homes, but the website is remodelerswichita.com, and in their particular case, when you go to their YouTube channel by scrolling down the website to find the social icon, what they have is a tremendous number of in the field videos of different aspects of a project, which they did fantastic when their new website was launched and they were trying to get their first rankings recorded. But now we're all caught in a time where many of you will not be able to get into the field to get either customer reviews or even project reviews by yourself. So what you could do is take images, finished images of the project, before images, work in process, and other different finished project pictures, and create a video. What you do is you line them up and you start to say things such as, hello, this is ABC Remodeling, here is a new addition, but it didn't look always this way, and here's the work that we did during the progression of the project, and here is a different aspect of the finished project. After this video is loaded, mind you, this particular segment is based on the creation of the videos, not the loading of the videos, but in order to create the content, you then load it onto YouTube a very specific way, and once it's loaded correctly, we're then able to easily share it by getting the embed code and placing it into a website. What we want to do is invite you to see a real example of taking images, organizing them, and creating a little story. You could do that by going to russellmillremodeling.com. That's russellmillremodeling.com/service/new-additions. You're going to find this image. Click on it, and you're going to see the actual video that we created for you as an educational material, as well as to continue and learn more. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is my online toolbox reminding you to start planning yesterday for next year's marketing and profits. We'll see you real soon.